Hello everyone, today we'll see how to develop an application. First go to Google and type GoodBarber, then select GoodBarber. Once the site opens, then click on create an app. After that you have to choose your templates first. I choose e-commerce. You can choose any other if you want. Then click on next. Then you have to choose your theme. Select your theme. Then click next. After that you have to choose your navigation button, which is very important. Select your navigation button, then click on next. Then give your name, give your brand name to your application. I choose my brand name as Zen Style. Then click on next. Then you have to enter your email address. After that it will take some time to build your application. Then you can click on discover it. There you can see your application dashboard. It will take some time to load. Then select all the node to get started and select I got it. Read it and select I got it, or you can skip it. There you can see how your app looks. There also you can see your premium prices and all. Also you can see orders, products, clients, marketing, statistics, etc. This is how your application looks like. You can customize it. You can put your images, your brand name, your tagline, everything you can add. You can build that app however you want. Also you can see the colors and fonts and structure, icons, theme library, everything you can see and everything you can customize. And you can change the color also. Once you're done with that, click on preview so that you can see how your app looks like. There are multiple options like how it will show on desktops and tablets, also in your smartphone. You can check it once. Then click on the images so you can customize or you can see. This is how you can develop your application or e-commerce application without any coding knowledge or without knowing any coding languages. And it is the simplest and easiest way to develop an application for your personal or professional use.